Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 8, Unit 2, Listening Passage. Listen carefully to the passage and answer the following questions. Dear friends, this is Rahim. I hope you will lend your ears for 2 minutes to me on this happy occasion of the 13th birthday of my friend Rahul. Before he blows out candles on his cake and cut the cake to mark the first day of his 13th year, I would like to share a few words with you. Rahul and I grew up from kids. He is an open book for me and for everyone. I have observed the fine determination he is built with. His strong friendship has stood by me many times. When I hurt him, he wrote over the sand. When I help him, he engraved it in his heart. Only if you are lucky, you will find a person like him who brightens your day, lends an ear, and inspires you. I am grateful to him for life. He excelled in various ways already in his life. I wondered his ability to do well in whatever he found himself engaged in. Besides being a good student, he has done well in sports and games. He is always in the front line and bagged all-rounder medal in school. I wish him all the happiness with which he should sail through life. Best of luck to you, Rahul, and may we always see you smiling like this. Please give him a big hand. Now, children, you have listened. Now, are you ready to answer the following questions? Question 1. Whose speech is it? 2. What did Rahul engrave? Question 3. Who is lucky? 4. Who bagged all-rounder award? 5. Whose birthday party is it? I hope you have all completed correctly. If not, listen to the passage again. Now moving on to speaking section, page 113. 2 minutes speech. Respected teacher and my dear friends, good morning to all of you. I am happy to stand before you to deliver a speech on the sacrifice of a dog. They say dogs are the most loyal animals on earth. There are examples of pet dogs sacrificing their lives to save their owners in the past. Tyson, a Dalmatian pet dog of a family in Odisha, has also proved it. Tyson is a Dalmatian breed dog. At around 2 a.m., after opening the door, the family saw Tyson fighting with an Indian cobra. For a while, Tyson succeeded in killing the cobra. Sadly, after a few minutes, Tyson also died due to the injuries caused by the snake bites. Dear friends, let us praise and remember the sacrifice of Tyson. Next speech, 2 minute speech. Respected teachers and my dear friends, good morning to all of you. I am happy to stand before you to deliver a speech along the same lines my friend gave a speech before me. My speech is about a dog grieving for its family. It is a true story and it happened in Chennai. A 18-year-old Bhaskar had adopted a brown Indian pup a few years ago. Unfortunately, Bhaskar died in a road accident. His dog Tommy just sat next to his grave for 2 weeks without food. It was waiting for his master to come back. Tommy even braved the hot sun. The dog eventually got up when Bhaskar's mother persuaded it. Dear friends, let us be kind to dogs. They are our friends. Hearty thanks to all the subscribers and viewers. I owe a lot to you.